Jay. And Pam and I just finished up with getting our 6-month dental checkup. Neither one of us has any cavities, and we got our teeth cleaned and all that good stuff. And we said this is a pretty spot, so we're just going to stop and have some lunch. And I thought, geez, it'd be nice to just kind of have a little panorama of this Front Range, as it's called. And we're really where the High Plains Desert meets the Rocky Mountains. And it's actually beautiful. Of course, you got a second range and a third range, and all your big mountains are in the second range. And Colorado has 52 peaks over 14,000 feet. Absolutely gorgeous. And Pammy, what are we having for lunch?
Your favorite.
Oh, we're gonna have a double Whopper? Uh-oh, that's a cackle laugh.
Okay. All right, not your favorite.
Oh my golly, I know what that is. She's having me eating healthy again today. Isn't she sweet?
So what I like to do
She keeps me healthy.
do some yogurt.
Got some yogurt going in there.
And do some granola.
Oh boy.
Hold on, I'll show you my little magic potion here. Some granola. No smoked salmon today. This is Canadian Farm cinnamon raisin granola.
And actually, guys, it really is quite good.
And then what I do, real quick, is, you know, it's a really good spot for our garbage can, Jay.
Yeah, it is. Works out real well, doesn't it?
Yep. Cut up some banana in that, and hold on, I'm not done. And then after the banana, got one more special ingredient. And that is...
Hey guys, how do you like that nice fold-down table?
Oops! Some good honey. I always try to incorporate honey into my diet when I can because it's so good for you. And that's it. And by the time we get done, oh, and I have my my matcha tea, which is a cold tea, and it's a green matcha powder with whipped with just a shot of the flavoring, the Kool-Aid flavoring, and milk, topped with some Ready Whip. All right, here we go, babe. We're gonna have some lunch.
Okay, well, I'm going to head around to the back. You know how beautiful how large these sliders are on these transits? I mean, they're just unbelievable. And definitely, guys, if you're going to be ordering one or shopping for one, we surely would recommend that you get one that has the power step that comes out. It's broad, it's flat, it's sturdy, and makes going in and out much, much easier. Really, and safer. Another little shot of this beautiful mountain. See, that's some nice heavy clouds.
The temperature's gorgeous today, again.
And here we are at the back of the bin. Tammy's got our table set.
Yep.
Look at that.
Here, come on in with me, guys. Eat some lunch. And then we'll show you a couple other things about the van. Today we have our dog gates off because
We don't have any dogs.
we don't have the doggies with us. Too hot for them to sit in the van while we go to the dentist for an hour. And go ahead and swing your table around so they can see how that works. So they're at home, and when we're traveling without dogs, then we just take these gates off. Here's the post and the hinges, and the gate just sets right on that. But since we're by ourselves today, and there's Jay getting ready to eat his double Whopper.
With raisins.
Double Whopper with raisins.
Yeah.
Are your gums sore?
Not really.
No, mine aren't either. Alrighty, let's grub.
Look at this. Wow.
We're just sitting down to eat and remembered why we bought a passenger van. Look at that view. Everywhere you look. Beauty, beauty, beauty. All right, well, let us eat our lunch and then we will be back with you. Colorado Jeep tours. Just goes to show you, wherever you live, there's always somebody else that thinks it's great.
Oh, here comes your surveyors.
Surveyors? Oh yeah, this is, which university was it, Jay?
Texas.
Texas, what university? Tech, Texas Tech, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Texas Tech.
They're probably master's level students, and they're doing surveys and geology and those kind of things, so they're probably engineers or geologists.
Let's see if they'll talk.
We have a advanced field mapping class from Texas Tech University,
Okay.
and these are students who are taking the class, and we're mapping the Dakota hogback over the past week and over the next 3 weeks.
Awesome. Okay, thank you. Appreciate
What are you
it.
doing?
We're having lunch in our van build.
I love that.
We're from this area, so
okay.
yeah, getting out and enjoying our comfy homemade camper.
No, we're envious.
Yeah, there's their vans there. So
All right, take care.
thanks so much. That was nice. Okay, let me show you my little sticky pads. This thing here is on a sticky pad. It does come off, but I'm not going to take it off because that weakens it a little bit. But it's like a Post-it note. It's so strong that you can just take it off and put it back on, and take it off and put it back on, and take it off and put it back on. And it will even hold your stuff when you tip it back at an angle. Perfect for little plants, perfect for your hand pumps for your soaps and things. And here is the ones that we bought on Amazon. And you get half a dozen, let's see, 1, 2, 12. You get a dozen of them in a package. And they come in really handy when you're driving around. You don't want stuff to slide around. But anyway, that's that. And of course, all of our plants are artificial. And
Pam, why do you have me watering them every day?
oh God. He said, why do you have me watering them every day? And then, as you know, we have our ivy back here. And more ivy up here. How do you water this one, Jay? I always wondered that.
I just get a little ladder.
Get a little ladder. All right.
Pammy, what you doing?
Oh, just picking out some music for our videos. What are you doing? Filming me?
Yeah.
You like that song?
Yeah.
Have to be so careful to use royalty-free music. Here, let me turn this down. You have to use royalty-free music so you don't get a copyright strike on YouTube, right? So you don't get to go what you really like, so you have to find other things that you like. I'm in a classical mood today. I grew up in Ann Arbor, Michigan, so classical music was part of my bringing up. That'd be great for a driving scene.
Yep.
Jay likes classical music too. Let's try this one. Oh, that's the one I just played. This is the Strike Quartet number 3. Makes me think of Winchester on MASH. And Honeycutt, or no, Hawkeye, that always called it symphony music. I'm with Winchester. All right, you can stop recording me now.
Well, that's almost too close to you.
Oh, that's all right.
He's opening our ingenious mounting brackets for the big iPad.
That's marked left. That's marked right.
Up, 2, 3, 4.
So this would be this one here. These are nice because they just pop in your little tabs, so you can take them out and stow them very easily. Open that one. There we go. Flip it around. There we go. This is our pack-away shelf for TV. All right. Okay, portable TV stand, van size. We did get that board separately and notched it accordingly. Oh, God. All right. So let me put it together, and I'll show you what it is. Like this. Push the tab in on the other one. Has to be open for it to go in. Push that up. And now we have a TV stand. Woo, woo, woo. Put that in there like that. Now we have TV. Ta-da! And, oh, another important part is our Bluetooth speakers. Let me get the other one. We keep these in our cup holders. Where did he put? Here it is. So we keep the Bluetooth speakers. These are Xenios. We love them.
Bluetooth mode.
Give it
TWS paired.
Give them just a minute to pair and hook up. They make for some excellent surround sound. And of course they're cordless, so you can place them anywhere you want. And then when you're ready to travel, just take it down, get your Bluetooth speaker, and you're ready for the road. Hey, while I got you right here, let me show you how we keep our pantry from rolling out on the floor while we're driving. And this is what a MacGyver. See back here? We have a pole. We have 2 screws Hold on, let me take it out. We have 2 screws, and then this sets on a coat hook and this sets on a coat hook, and these screws keep it from working loose. And now the pantry is free to roll out. Okay. And then the actual, hold on, the actual coat hooks are on the back of the pantry itself. See those hooks? And then you just take the thingy thing right there with your screws aiming down. And your pantry, this is over the wall right here, and then that ends over the other outer wall that encases the pantry, so it can't push forward. So anyway, all right. Well, I'm sitting in my sound studio editing my videos. Sound studio also doubles as Casper. Oh, it's a great place to get away from TVs and all kinds of noise and mess. But yeah, so quiet out here. To be in town, it's really quiet. It's a great sound studio. This is where I edit a lot of my videos. My little man here, keeping me company. I think I'm keeping him company. He's 12. Going on 13. My little guy had him. He's a rescue from the pound. And 1 year Jay asked me what I wanted for Christmas. And I said, I want a little dog. Because we had big dogs up on the ranch. I wanted a little dog, so I got my little dog. And he has some red heeler in him, the vet said. He's a mix. He came out of a pound in Kansas, and they kind of spread him around to places that had vacancies. And he actually herds cattle, because we lived on open range. So you'd see him bounce, his head bouncing up out of the weeds, boing, 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 running half a dozen cows down the pasture line. I'm not even kidding. And then running deer off and chasing down rabbits, and he's had a good life. So now he's retired and chilling with Mama. He's been a good dog.